Modern industry depends on automation systems that are reliable, visible, and built to last. At Stratos Control Systems, we design and deliver industrial automation and control systems that keep UK manufacturing moving. Stratos Control Systems is a trusted control panel manufacturer and industrial automation specialist supporting organisations across the United Kingdom. Our engineers design, build, and integrate control panels, PLC systems, SCADA platforms, and machine control solutions that improve operational efficiency, reduce downtime, and extend the life of critical assets. We design and manufacture industrial control panels and electrical enclosures using industry-standard engineering tools such as AutoCAD and ePlan. Every system is engineered for clarity, safety, and long-term maintainability. Our panels are built to support complex automation environments while remaining easy to inspect, maintain, and upgrade. Our engineers develop structured PLC programming and machine control systems that prioritize reliability and clarity. We work with leading automation platforms. This ensures your automation environment remains robust, scalable, and fully supportable over time. Stratos also designs SCADA and HMI systems that provide real-time visibility into system performance, alarms, trends, and diagnostics. With better operational insight, teams can respond faster, reduce downtime, and make better decisions across the production environment. Many industrial sites still operate with aging PLCs, obsolete control panels, and limited system visibility. Stratos helps organizations modernize legacy automation safely through structured control system upgrades and refurbishment, ensuring minimal disruption while improving reliability and performance. We support manufacturers across key UK industries, including food and beverage manufacturing, pharmaceutical production, packaging automation, heavy engineering, and material handling systems. Each sector demands reliability, visibility, and structured automation, and that is exactly what Stratos delivers. At Stratos Control Systems, we believe industrial automation should be clear, maintainable, and built for the long term. By combining engineering expertise with proven platforms, we deliver control systems that help organizations operate with confidence. Stratos Control Systems, industrial automation and control systems engineered for reliability. Visit stratoscontrols.com to learn more.